All right, I have been given the opportunity to ride this Aprilia Tuono V4. It's so delicious looking. Let's get this thing going. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Ooh, so pretty. All these bugs. So pretty, so pretty. Run. And gear indicator? Where is it? Oh, neutral. Oh, there it is. Yay! Sound check. Oh, that sounds so good. Whoa. Okay. Yo, man. I honestly think this probably has a little bit more turn radius than my FT9. Oh, which is so sad. Ooh. Oh, okay. It likes that. Holy crap! The pegs are so daggum high. Let's see how it goes. Woo! Man, this thing. Oh man, these brakes are so freaking awesome. I want some brimbos. Alright, let's give it some juice. Miles per mile, fam. Holy crap, this thing is a mover. Woo! Yo, this bike it's crazy, dude. Hey, I'm here for it. I just gotta get used to the sport position again. It's like I said, man, it's been so long since I sat like this. I mean, I just feel so tucked in, but it does lock me into where it actually should be for this bike, to be honest. The way this bike is supposed to be ridden, man, but this bike is really, really nice, man. I just want to squeeze the throttle. I can't do it too much because it's not my bike. But I want to just squeeze and just wrench this thing out a little bit more, but I don't know the roads. It's not my bike. Can't do that. Gotta respect that. The quick shifter on this is nice. I really like the quick shifter on this as well. It feels a little bit smoother in regards to how it engages on versus my SP. My SP is like, man, it feels, if you're low in the RPM, it's clunky. I love this bike. It's great. This is really a great bike. I mean, I only am going to ride it for a little bit, which is sad. But I ride something like this, man, hell to the yes. I would ride something like this, but man, to daily this, something like this though, I wouldn't do it because I'm just too old. My back hurts, my wrist hurts, my elbows will hurt. I know it would. Like I said, I'm only on this bike for just a very minimal amount of time. So I am going to be like, yeah, this is awesome. I'm not going to lie and say that, right? I mean, this is a great bike, but if you're talking about like daily riding it, or riding it long distances, like what we've been doing here in Tennessee without having brakes and stuff, man, dude, it'd be really tough. It would be really, really tough to do that. I'm in sports mode right now. Trey has it in his user mode, but I'm not going to run it in his user mode because I want to feel what the stock is giving you in regards to the stock settings in their specific sport settings, right? I think there's a few other modes in here that he has set, so I just want to feel what it is for the settings that come from the factory. I'm going to ride this a little bit more and just want to see how it actually behaves and stuff like that. So you guys kind of enjoy. All right. bike, bro. Whew. This bike is ridiculous, dude. Man, it's ridiculous. All right, here we go. Tank is it feels close to my SP. I think it feels it's similar enough. I think it's similar enough, like it's close to my SP though, in regards to the way my leg feels when I'm gripping the tank. But I almost feel like this one kind of keeps my legs in a little bit better than the SP, which is understandable because it is actually, I mean, it's more sport oriented than my SP is. The tank on this, it feels good. It keeps me really dialed in actually when I'm pressing into it and I'm trying to hold the tank right. It keeps me where I actually need to be, and so like I said, it feels a little bit better honestly than my SP does in regards to keeping my legs where it needs to be when I'm in attack mode. But it feels similar in regards to like kind of the width of it. Like I said, it's a sports bike, so I'm a little, obviously I'm more leaned over than I am on the SP. But like I said, it's, man, if I go long distances, I should be no, I'm gonna want to take brakes off on this thing, man. I can tell you right now, I'm gonna want to take brakes more often than I do on the SP. Find out what it does here in the city. We're gonna get into the city here in just a little bit, and we'll see how it handles kind of your right stop and go crap, which I mean I expected to handle it just fine. It's just may not be how my SP handles it. I think my SP handles it great, but we'll see. I am feeling, is that the heat? Is it just me too pressed? Yeah, that's heat. Okay, that's where the heat's coming from. The heat's coming from right here. There's a lot of heat right here, if you guys can see. Yeah, that's a lot of heat. That's way more than what I'm used to. I mean, but I'm high enough, but I can feel it if I'm hugged onto the tank. I can definitely feel the heat coming off of this bike. I don't know too much about this bike, okay, like straight up, like I haven't read up on this bike at all. I knew that it was coming this weekend, and I wanted to ride it, and he gave me the opportunity to ride it, so I didn't even read up on any of this thing on this bike. So this is straight up like, hey man, just jump on and see how it feels for you. And that's what I'm doing. Like right now, that's what I'm doing. I'm just jumping on and see how it feels for me. This is how it does in 6th gear, right? I mean, when it's just kind of cruising like this. Just see how it does in 6th gear. It's a little, yeah. I mean, it's not like my SP, but it gives a little bit of a shake because I mean it's at 3,000 RPM, so it's trying to get into its power band when I'm twisting the throttle. But whatever, it's 6th gear, so that's not too bad though. But I love it. I'm here for this bike, man. Okay, so took a small break, but we're back in the city now, so I'm gonna see how this thing handles kind of obviously city type traffic. I'm in 3rd gear. It likes it, but I can definitely tell it probably wants to be in like 2nd gear for this stuff. It's handling the, oh hello Leaf, it's handling the in-city stuff relatively well. Slow pace, 30 miles an hour. Let's see if I can do the old, no, I'm not gonna be able to do it because there's too many cars. I was gonna do the no legs thing, but can't do it. Can't do it. Can I? No, can't do it. Let's try though, fam. All right, here we go. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Going left, going left, going left. Wave to her, wave to her, wave to her. Yeah, I mean, in the city, it does decently well, honestly, for what it is. It's not too bad, but hey, it's definitely not as comfortable as the SP. And oh my gosh, they're like sitting in idle on this thing, or in the city here, where I'm like in the higher or the lower gears, obviously like second here. Man, it's hot. It really is hot. I'm starting to really feel it in my legs. So hey, take it for a grain of salt. What it is hot. This bike is like hot right now. But overall, I do like this bike though. I mean, it's an expensive bike. I don't know what the price tag is on this bike, but it's an expensive bike compared to my SP. Oh yeah, we are back